Biggest horror movie you've ever watched and why?
Oh my gosh. That's a good question because madaming scary. So I'm gonna go Pinoy and say Feng Shui because my mom was in it and then it came out when I was like 12 years old. Tapos sobrang iconic ng death scene niya doon and it's a really scary movie. Feng Shui by Chito Ronyo.
Between you and Echo, who's the more of a scaredy cat?
Me, for sure.
But because he's not, mahirap siya takutin, what? It's
Ako mas sobrang magugulatan ako. So if you go with me to a scary movie, ako yung kind of embarrassing person to sit with because I'll be like really screaming.
And then last, was there ever a time on set that you felt scared because you felt that there was something scary, whether imagination mo lang or hindi?
Yes, definitely. There was a time that I shot in an old house in New Manila, and then the other people in the crew na medyo nakakakita, they were saying what they were seeing and things like that. So, kinikilabutan ako. So, yun, scary talaga sometimes, especially if the location is very old.
What movie was that?
It was a TV show for GMA. I think it was Tadhana or something like that.
Thank you so much, Jenny.